All right, here I got my Fitbit Versa 4, and I'm just going to activate the countdown timer and the stopwatch. So first thing I'm going to do is actually just push this button right here. Now in the recent section, I have timers here, but to get to it, you can actually just scroll down, and then eventually you should see something called timers. I'm just going to push that just like that. From countdown, we can see there's something called add timer. I'm just going to push that. And then here you have the ability to set all the way to 99 minutes from 59 seconds to 0 seconds. In this case, we'll just do 1 minute. We'll push that like that. And then now it'll just automatically click in there. And then you'll see there's a pause button. And then if I scroll up, there'll be the reset button and then a plus. To end the timer, to count down, you just push end, and then it fires back off to the beginning there. Moving over to the stopwatch now, I'll just push start there. It'll start at 0. Then you'll see the play button there. I'll push the play button, and then it starts there. And then if I want to pause that, I'll just pause, and then they'll see a reset button at the top there. You'll see that it's blinking. I'll hit reset, and then we are back to 0. To get out of all the timers, I just push the side button again, and I'm at my main display.